Thank you to Thermaltake, Lexar, and Height for sponsoring our CES coverage.
Hello and welcome to the Skyfall channel, and today we're here at the Lexar suite. They've got new memory, they've got new SSDs, and I want to tell you guys a little bit about them. I will say this though, Lexar is kind of going all out on their new DDR5 memory. So this is the top dog. It's actually so new, they don't have a sample for me to show you here, but they are going to reach speeds of up to 8,400 megahertz a second and 8,000. And what's crazier is that they're offering them in 12 gig DIMM variants. So if you wanted to go up to 48 gigabytes of system memory with these ridiculously high speeds, you now have that option. At the moment, it's only available on Intel, but eventually AMD and their AM5 platform will hopefully catch up and support these very fast speeds. But this is the new Aries RGB DDR5 desktop memory. Again, the top two trim speeds are gonna have a different and bigger heatsink, and the regulars from 7,200 megahertz down are gonna have this. But if you don't care about RGB and maybe you wanna save a little bit of cash, they do have their THOR DDR5 desktop memory. I actually kind of like the design of this. It's simple, clean, the black and gold looks good together. And although it lists at 6,000 and 5,600 megahertz here, it can also go to 6,400 megahertz, and the CAS latencies aren't atrocious. So 5,600 megahertz has a CAS latency of 36. That's all right. 6,000 though, 32, and 6,400 is also 32. So it's a good CAS to speed ratio. And then again, they've got DDR4 memory here for all of you guys who are still on AM4, and you want nice, kind of modern looking RAM. Say if you have RAM that's like from 2017 and you just want to make it look nicer and newer in your build, Lexar still provides some high quality DDR4 RAM sticks with RGB. But Lexar isn't just known for their system memory, they also are really well known for their storage, like their SL660 Blaze portable gaming SSD. This has been out for a little bit. Once again, they have this on display. It's cool, it's got RGB, it's fast, it reads over USB Type-C. If you want to if you want to store your Steam library on a mobile device, this is a great option for that, and you can plug and play it anywhere, on a laptop, on a gaming computer, wherever you want. But speaking of that, for all of my folks out there who have a Nintendo Switch or a Steam Deck, we've got their Play microSDXC UHS-I card with read and write speeds of 160 megabytes per second and 100 megabytes per second write. Super tiny. Like, I don't think I want to take this off because it's probably just going to rip off the whole, I don't know, thing right here. But this can go up to 1 terabyte. That should be enough for a ton of games on the Switch or Steam Deck, but it gets a little bit better. This is what Lexar is known for, is all of their excellent storage options, and they're coming in big with their new PCIe Gen 5.0 SSD, their NM790, up to 12,000 megabytes per second read, 11,000 megabytes per second write. Comes with DRAM, 4 terabytes. It even needs its own special cooler, which also comes with RGB that'll be connected over an external connector. I can't confirm if that's gonna be probably going to be like a USB 2.0 header, but we won't know until this finally comes out, which hopefully will be soon. So if you wanted to take advantage of a ridiculously fast Gen 5 drive, Lexar's got you covered. But here are some other SSDs that they currently offer that, once again, I'll mention because they are pretty nice. For instance, the NM800. This is an SSD I really like because it's PCIe Gen 4.0, comes with DRAM. The read and write speeds are plenty fast. Definitely more than enough for any average PC gamer. But what's new with this is that they are now offering 4 and 8 terabyte storage options very soon, which honestly, if you're someone who's a gamer and a content creator and you want a single drive that can store all of your Steam games or all of your games and a ton of video footage, say if you're a content creator or a gamer that's gonna record your streams and such, you can now fit that all in a single 8 terabyte SSD rather than say splitting it up between 2 4 terabyte drives. And then they've also got their entry-level NM790, also a PCIe Gen 4.0 drive. It just doesn't feature DRAM, but still the read and write speeds are still quite excellent, up to 4 terabytes of storage. And then down here at the very bottom, we've got their Play 2230 PCIe Gen 4.0 drive for all of my friends out there who have a Steam Deck and want to have 1 terabyte of fast storage to store their entire Steam library if they want to upgrade their internal SSD on those portable gaming devices. Or if you say have like a ROG Ally, that also works as well. So here is all of the gaming and cool stuff that Lexar is offering here at CES 2024. There's definitely some things to look forward to, that being the new DDR5 memory that can achieve some ridiculous overall speeds, and their new PCIe Gen 5.0 drive, and some increased storage options as well. So there's some things to look forward to from Lexar. If you want to see more for our CES coverage, definitely give this video a like, because we've got more coming up. If you like more CES content, you might want to subscribe to the Scatterfold channel. And once again, thank you to Lexar for sponsoring this quick suite overview here at CES. So with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and this is the Scatterfold channel, signing out.